Hello and welcome to Belfast High School Politics on YouTube. This key term is direct rule. Direct rule in Northern Ireland terms simply refers to when the devolved institutions at Stormont, for example the Northern Ireland Assembly, are suspended and Northern Ireland actually ruled directly from the Westminster Parliament in London. This actually happens in times of crises, generally political crises, and it's only supposed to be a temporary solution until things are sorted out. However, in the past it's actually lasted years and in some cases even decades due to the lack of political progress at a local level. Under direct rule then what happens? Well, the UK government actually assumes full control of the running of Northern Ireland. The Secretary of State for Northern Ireland assumes much more political power and they're usually assisted by junior ministers. These are all chosen from the ruling political party in Westminster. They make then decisions on behalf of the Northern Ireland public, the matters of education, health, social welfare, etc. This is generally not a system that's actually favoured by anybody. It leads to a huge amount of criticism of democratic deficit as Northern Ireland is ruled directly by politicians they did not, and in some cases parties they cannot vote for in elections. Accountability is very low and decisions are made for the political public in Northern Ireland with very little scrutiny. Again, none of the political parties or the UK government generally favour direct rule, and it's only used almost like a nuclear option in the most extreme circumstances because it generally does have lots of issues about it. However, it has been used in the past, and the key examples would be 1972. This is in the midst of the bloodiest part of the Troubles. 1972, it followed the bloody Sunday shootings when 14 people were shot dead, and it was very clear the political process was not working. The Northern Ireland Parliament at the time was shut down, suspended, and direct rule was imposed from Westminster. It actually remained in place for decades until after the Good Friday Agreement. It has been used since. It was used following a suspension of the executive after the Good Friday Agreement for a number of years until devolution was again restored in 2007. Hopefully this makes sense. Many thanks for listening.